Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best IKEA cabinets are probably one of the most sought-after storage solutions for homes and offices, offering a blend of affordability, style, and functionality that's hard to beat. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of IKEA storage cabinets, exploring their diverse range, highlighting key features, and ultimately helping you choose the perfect cabinet to transform your space from cluttered chaos to organized bliss. We will also look at some of the most popular models, compare their pros and cons, and provide you with practical tips for assembly and maintenance. Number 5. IKEA Trones Shoe Cabinet. Its shallow design makes it perfect for small spaces. You can easily store shoes, gloves, and scarves inside. Need more room? Stack them up or place them side by side to create a customized storage solution that fits your needs. It features a handy recessed area on top, ideal for keys, coins, or your phone. Keep your essentials within easy reach. Cleaning is a breeze. The door is easily removable for thorough cleaning. It's not just practical, it also adds a touch of style to your home. Get organized and keep your entryway tidy. It's great for shoes, but you can also use it to store other items like gloves and scarves. The possibilities are endless. What we like? It's shallow and doesn't take up much space. You can stack them up to create more storage. Plus, there's a handy tray on top. If you're tight on space but need to store shoes and accessories, this is perfect for you. What people say? Doesn't take up a lot of room, they're stackable, and my husband's size 13 shoes fit. It fits perfectly and adds a touch of elegance and practicality to my room. My daughter's size 10 was able to go in there normally though. Number 4. IKEA Trones Shoe Cabinet. Its shallow design makes it perfect for tight spaces. Keep shoes, gloves, and scarves neatly organized and easily accessible. Easily customize your storage. Stack them high or place them side by side to fit your needs. The top offers a convenient spot for small items like keys or your phone. Keep everyday essentials within reach. Cleaning is a breeze. The door easily comes off for thorough cleaning. For added safety and stability, it needs to be fixed to the wall. Use appropriate wall fixings, sold separately. It's made from polypropylene plastic, with at least 20% recycled content, making it an eco-friendly choice. What we like? This one is also shallow and stackable, offering double the storage for the price. It comes in a convenient 2-pack. If you need lots of shoe storage and prefer a more budget-friendly option, this is the one for you. What people say? It fits my adult shoes comfortably and with plenty of room left. They save me floor space in my living room and hide my cluttered shoes. This is the shoe rack organizer I have been using for a long time. It saves space as it's mounted on the wall and it helps in organizing the shoes. Needed something vertical and thin in profile for shoes at entry. Can fit 3 to 4 pairs if you play Tetris within them. Number 3. IKEA Kallax Shelving Unit. This versatile shelving unit is perfect for any room in your home. Its clean, white design complements any decor. Use it as a bookcase, a room divider, or even a stylish storage solution. It's adaptable to your needs. It's both beautiful and practical, offering ample storage space without sacrificing style. This unit looks great from every angle, making it a perfect room divider or focal point. With dimensions of 71.58 wide, 15.38 deep, and 71.58 high, it offers generous storage. Each shelf can hold up to 29 pounds. It's easy to assemble, so you can have it set up and organized in no time. Enjoy your new storage solution. What we like? It's incredibly versatile and can be used as a room divider. It's also large enough to hold a ton of items. If you need a large storage solution that can also double as a stylish room divider, this is the choice for you. What people say? These shelves add such elegance to any room, office, home, etc. I've had Kallax bookshelves from IKEA for years and they are pretty sturdy and versatile. Easy to assemble, took me less than 1 hour to put together, though it's heavy and helpful with 2 people, though not impossible for 1 person to do. Roomy, can use 13 storage bins as drawers to store things or as bookshelves, etc. Number 2. Ikea Lixhult Metal Cabinet. It's more than just a cabinet, it's a design statement. Create a unique storage solution that fits your style and space. The possibilities are endless. Stack it high, arrange it low, it's completely up to you how you configure it. Keep important papers and documents neatly organized. Use the inside of the door for easy access to frequently used items. Use the included legs for an elevated look, or place it directly on the floor. It works either way. It's perfect for everything from small items like keys and chargers to larger items like handbags and toys. It's incredibly versatile. This cabinet is both stylish and functional, adding a touch of modern design to any room while keeping your belongings organized. What we like? It's stackable and lets you create unique storage solutions. There's even extra storage on the inside of the door. If you value creative storage and want to personalize your space, this is ideal for you. What people say. They are a neutral light gray color which will go well with many color schemes. I like the all-metal construction because manufactured wood is toxic due to formaldehyde use and other chemicals. They are smooth and will wipe clean easily. Number 1. Ikea Ivar Pine Cabinet. This versatile cabinet offers ample storage. It's perfect for any room in your home, adding both style and functionality. Made from high-quality pine, it's built to last. Its natural beauty adds warmth to your space. Simple to put together, you'll have it assembled in no time. Enjoy the satisfaction of building your own furniture. It adapts to your needs. Use it as a standalone piece or combine multiple units for a larger storage solution. Its clean lines and classic style complement any decor. It's equally at home in a modern or traditional setting. With dimensions of 32 by 12 by 33, it's the perfect size for many spaces. Find the ideal spot to showcase its functionality and style. What we like? This cabinet is simple, made of classic pine wood, and offers a timeless aesthetic. If you prefer a more rustic and natural look for your storage, this is the one to choose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.